Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about global keyword. In the previous class we have discussed about global variables and local variables. Global variable is nothing but that variable can be accessed throughout the program or anywhere in the program. Local variables are only accessed only within the function. Okay, so let us take one variable a is equals to 10. Next I am defining one function f1. This f1 function is used to print a value. But here I am taking one more variable a and the value of a variable is 555. Print a. Next I am defining one more function f2. Here I am printing value of a. Next I am calling f1 function as well as f2 function. Okay. If you consider this program, a value is 10. Here a is known as global variable. Why? Because it is declared outside the function. Next, here a is equals to triple y 5. This is known as local variable. Why? Because it is declared inside the function. Let us execute this program. We will get triple 5 and 10. First we are calling f1 function and here variable value is 555 and it will print a value as 555. Next we are calling f2 function. Here a value is not declared, so that's why it will consider global variable value. The global variable value is 10. That's why it will print 10. So here global keyword is used to declare global variable. Okay, so if you use global keyword for any variable, that will considered as a global variable and you can access that variable anywhere in the program. Okay, so here a is a local variable. So if you want to make a as global variable, then you need to use global keyword global a. So here we are making a as global variable. Before this, a is known as local variable. After we are using global keyword, a is known as global variable. So if we execute this program, it will return 555 and 555. Okay, so normally here a is known as global variable, but we are making a as global variable by using global keyword. So that's why here a is known as global variable and it will print a value as 555 anywhere in the program. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.